Today we're going to be taking a look at Pitaka's MagEZ Case 4 for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. This case is made from 600D aramid fiber, which is super strong and light. It also makes the phone feel like it doesn't have any case on it, so if you like that type of feel, the MagEZ Case 4 is definitely for you. And I guarantee you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. It's also MagSafe compatible and works with Pitaka's other accessories. And if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So one thing I really like that Pitaka is doing is they make their boxes out of recycled materials, and it also has this magnetic opening. Here's the case itself. All right, let's see how much this case weighs. It should be super light. 24 grams. This is one of the lightest cases I've reviewed so far. So here is the case itself. Again, like I said, it is super light and strong. You can see how thin it is. It's also got MagSafe built in and is made from the 600D aramid fiber. It's so smooth and it doesn't show fingerprints, which is awesome. It's also got a plastic ring around the cameras for some protection there too. Put it on our phone. Goes in the phone really nice, and like I said before, it feels like there's not even a case on your phone. Feels good in the hand. It's not slippery. The buttons on the side are easily accessible. No problems there. If we look at the case from the side, you can see that there's an ever so slight raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case, and it doesn't add any bulk to the phone whatsoever. It's just as thin as before you put the case on it. We have our cutouts on the bottom. You can very easily access your S Pen. Again, we have the exposed sides for your buttons. Looks really nice with the natural titanium. And on the back, check out that aramid fiber. Again, like I said, it's super smooth. Feels really nice. And it doesn't show any fingerprints. And we have this plastic ring around our camera lenses for some extra protection there too. This case makes your phone as thin as possible while still adding some protection. Feels really nice in the hand. I really like that. And as I mentioned before, this works even better with Pitaka's MagSafe accessories. Here I have one of their car chargers. Just take your phone, clips right onto the magnet, and immediately starts to charge. And as you can see on the back, the Pitaka accessory sits perfectly with this case. It doesn't go over on the camera lens, so it sits flush with the case to give you a really nice hold on the MagSafe accessory. I've been using Pitaka's cases now for quite a few years, and they are definitely my go-to for minimalist cases. What do you guys think about the Pitaka case? Would you pick one up? Let me know in the comments below. And this case also does come in a couple different colors as well. I just happen to have the black gray. The case is on the phone really well, and it's not going to just come off. So if you want to take this case off the phone, there's a certain way you need to do it without damaging the case. So you want to make sure you're holding the case just like this with the buttons facing up and the screen pointing towards you. Then you're just going to take your thumb and push off the back and do the same thing for the bottom edge. And then you can take your phone right out of the case. It's really easy. So if you're looking for a super thin, strong, minimalist case, the Pitaka MagEZ Case 4 is definitely one I would recommend. And again, if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting product links in the video description. If you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.